Hello fabulous Snoops, welcome back to my YouTube channel ETV News, where tea is spilled, freshly brewed and unapologetically spilled. So today we're talking about none other than the stunning, the glowing and ever private queen of cool, the glow up. Anele Zondo. For the longest time she kept us guessing, is she, isn't she? And then, boom, May 2024 arrived. Like a plot twist in our favorite telenovela, Anele announces she was expecting her first child, and the internet, it lost its mind. Of course, the big question was, who's the baby Zedzi? Fans turned into full-time detective. Was it a celeb, a mystery mogul, or just someone with good skin and better privacy settings? Instead, she did what she does best. She took control of the narrative, letting us know in her own time, her timeline. Through her reality show, The Glow Up, we saw her transformation, not just her wardrobe, but her world, from career queen to mama mode. And then, just like that, she did it again. On her daughter's first birthday, Anele finally revealed Hey Little Prince's face. Cues. Oh, ow. Anele's mini-me is Batung is every bit as adorable as you'd expect, serving chicks wena, charms, and the Zondo glow. The internet officially obsessed. And while the identity of the pharaoh remains one of SA's best kept secrets, one thing crystal clear, this mama is living her best soft life, and we are just lucky to witness. So here to Anele for showing us that you can be private and powerful, glamorous and grounded, and for giving us the sweetest surprise of all, her beautiful baby girl. So happy birthday, little one. You already broke the internet. You can't even walk yet. That's all I have for you, Snoops. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell notification so you never miss a moment of the glam, the gossip and the glow up. Until the next time, stay fabulous.